We're extremely excited to announce the new version of Fidesic. We've been working from behind the scenes for over a year to build a completely new Fidesic experience from the ground up. The site was built with the power of a modern browser in mind and all the features and functions that you're already used to using. We've added loads of improvements based on your feedback and are excited to show you what we've done. Many common tasks are now easier to do, and some of the functions you used to have to contact support for are now built right in. The first page we want to highlight is the approvals process. The approvals queue itself might look similar, but when you get to the invoice detail page, you'll have all the information you need to make your approval from a single place. You'll have the approvers, the PDF, and all invoice data. You'll also be able to click approve, adjust the invoice as necessary, view any history, as well as any comments that were added to the invoice. At the top of the page, you'll have a queue of your unapproved documents, and if you're familiar with GP at all, moving forward and back in this queue will be very familiar. From the new and improved dashboard page, you'll have access to quick info. You'll have your headlines, you'll be able to see your current billing month over month, your expenses as they allocate to each account, and now you'll also be able to check on individual users and see what's currently pending in their queue and how long it's been there. If you hover over their name, it'll show you the information on this page. Your settings are available from the top right by clicking on the gear icon. You'll have access to all the tools you're used to, as well as all your company options. Also from this top menu, you'll have access to your approval notifications panel. This will show you pending invoices and pending payments. From your settings menu, you can also navigate to a new Import Files page. This allows you to import flat files directly into Fidesic to get data quickly into the system. If you head over to Export Files, you'll be able to see ACH and paper check files that are already generated, and now, as a new feature in version 2, you can manually generate files whenever you need. So if you need a paper check file or ACH file, just come here, click the Generate File Now button, and you'll quickly have access to that file for payment. The Invoices Receipt page is packed full of features that you've been requesting. You'll be able to sort this page with the quick sort items at the top. You'll also be able to sort based on the invoice type, whether that's all invoices or your specific invoices. As you might expect, you'll also be able to sort through specific date ranges as well as different types of dates. And of course, you'll be able to search using the search by function that you're already used to using in Fidesic. And also, just like before, you'll be able to export any data that you search using this page. And our most requested feature, you're now able to sort anything that you've searched on this page by the column names. Simply click on a column name and it'll be organized into the order that you've selected. The page formerly known as Process Documents is now called Invoice Inbox. You can navigate to this on the left-hand navigation and you'll have access to your data capture as well as your company submission queue email addresses. If you haven't already set an email address, you can set it from this page and also keep track of all invoices submitted. And don't worry, just like in the original version of Fidesic, you'll always have access to contact support directly. Beyond contacting support, we've added our new Knowledgebase feature, which is a collection of information on how to use the site. If you ever have a question on how to do something, head over to the Knowledgebase, search through the articles, or simply type in what you're looking for, and you'll find an article that can help out. We're very excited to receive your feedback on the new site, and if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact Fidesic support. Thanks!